to my channel. It's been a minute. This video I'm filming now, I've actually filmed it before, but something happened. I lost all clips, so I'm doing it again. Today I'm going to be doing makeup with new products I got but I haven't used, or products I got and yeah, I've used just once, but I want to use them now on this video to show you guys what I think about it. I have already done my brows, but I'm going to highlight my brows with a new concealer that I just got. This one is called Eyeshadow Mattifying Coverage, so I'm just going to use it to highlight my brows. So I'm going to take just a little of it and highlight. Now that I have highlighted, I want to use this very lovely eyeshadow primer that I just got, and it's called Zaron eyeshadow primer. I just got it. I haven't even used it except in the other video, but this is like my first time of using it, so I just want to use that to set the base for the eyeshadow that I'm going to be using. So I just apply on my hand and just pat it on my eyelid and just make it stay like that. Then after that, I'm going in with my transition color, and the transition color I'm going to be using today is from well, a not so new palette. It's an old eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use the dark color from there too. So this is the palette. You've seen this in my video, so I'm going to use this color here for my transition color. So I'm just going to use it a bit on my eyes. The eyeshadow color I'm going to use is from House of Tara. It comes like this. This is their 3-in-1 eyeshadow palette. I haven't used this before. I have not used it before, but I've had it for a while now, but I haven't just used it. So I'm going to use this color down there. It's like a yellowish golden color, so I'm going to just apply it on my eyelid. So I'm just going to apply it on my lid. I don't know if you guys can see how lovely and pigmented it is, but I like it. I like House of Tara products. Their products are so nice. Like, if you buy it, you're not going to regret. And this eyeshadow palette, this eyeshadow I'm using here is not an exception. It's so nice and so pigmented. This one is called Lewy, like behind it the name is Lewy. So yeah, so I'm just going to apply it gently on my lid as I go. So you guys remember that transition color I used, the palette I used. I'm going to be taking another color from that palette. I'm going to be using it just on my outer corner. That's a corner. Guys, on my outer corner. So I'm just going to take a bit on my brush and just apply it here, just a bit, just the place where I applied the black before, but I'm not going to take it into the front so much, just out my outer corner like that. Why am I finding it difficult to say outer? I keep saying outer. So same thing with the other eyes, just a bit on my outer corner like that. After doing that, blending and doing all of that, next thing I want to do is I want to go in with my eyeliner, and this eyeliner is new. I got it like last month or so, and it's called TYA 24-hour long wear gel liner. That's what it's called. So I'm just going to use a tiny brush to apply that on my eyes. It's actually very very creamy. It's not like so caked. Yeah, can you see? It's not so caked. It's just very creamy, like your brush goes in. And let me see how it's going to apply on my eyes. It's not so bad. It's so dark. Not bad at all. It's applying very well. As you can see, it's applying so well. You don't need to like go over it 100 times. It's just one swipe and it's one swipe and it's just there. Nice. This is nice. I forgot to show you what I use as my waterline. This is it. This is what I used. It's the Colossal Kajal eyeliner. I just used it for my waterline. The next thing I want to use is my face primer, because we're moving into the foundation now, and so I'm going to use my face primer. This is Pond's face primer. And one thing you will notice after using this face primer is that your face is matte. Like even before you put your foundation on, your face is very matte. So just a little bit on the parts where that you would naturally like get oil, like later in the day, just apply it on that area. Like here, I'm going to definitely bring out oil like later on. So I'm just going to apply it very nicely, and you feel that that place is already dry and ready for the foundation. My foundation, I'm going to use this foundation, LA Girl Pro Matte High Definition Long Wear Matte Foundation, but it's just LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. What I noticed about, because I've used this foundation like on my face like once or twice, what I noticed is that this foundation is very good for oily skin. It stays matte all day. Like you would even have to, you know, touch up and all that. It stays on your face all day, and it hides your, you know, imperfections. If you have like blackheads and stuff on your face, it hides it. It's I would say it's I don't know, full coverage. So I just take this much and just apply on my face. So I'm just going to apply on my face. You can see that my spots are not really showing or as they were before when I started the video. You can see that it's really covering my spots, and it's lightweight, guys. You'll not even know that there's something on your face. It's not heavy. You don't feel like, oh, there's foundation on my face. It's very lightweight. So see and see, you can still see some spots, even though I don't really have most spots like that, but you can still see some spots here. But here you can see nothing. Now really quickly, moving over to the other part of my face, I'm using the Huda Beauty, the Hushas mattifying concealer again to highlight. The one I used to highlight my brows, I'm going to use it to highlight my face. Just here and the normal highlights parts. I'm not using too much because I just want to I'm not using too much because I just want to test and like see how it's going to work. I don't want to use too much and at the end of the day I regret using it, because I haven't used it before. I just bought it and, you know, I just kept it. So yeah, I'm going to spray my beauty blender with some finishing spray so that it gets wet. And then, okay, this concealer is actually very creamy. I'm seeing it from my mirror. It's very creamy. It's not one of those concealer that you apply and it dries off immediately. This one gives you time to do other things. But we're going to blend it out and see. It's blending well. It's blending well with the beauty blender. It's blending really well. It's not bad. Just blend it some more. It's not looking bad at all. Guys, our dog has been barking since midnight. Like, it's been just barking and barking. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear it barking. Should I be worried? I don't know. It's just been barking and just been making noise. I don't know what it's saying. Anyway, I'm going to set my highlights now with my Sacha Buttercup. I did not get a new setting powder. I'm sorry, I did not get. So I'm just going to use this on my highlighted parts just to set it. I did not get a new setting powder because my budget. I didn't want to overspend. So yeah, just a little bit. Now to contour my face, I'm doing a powder contour, and to contour my face I am using this Maybelline powder. This is what a foam was here, but I threw the foam away because I prefer to use a brush. So I'm going to use this now on my sides of my face. And the other side too. Around my hairline, just close to my hairline. Yes, so I'm just going to dust this off. I'm going to dust it off with a small powder brush. It's a very small powder brush. I hardly use it for all over my face, but the one I'm going to use for all over my... How did I forget to contour my nose? Sorry. I'm going to contour my nose now with that same Maybelline powder. Just going to take a bit of it to contour my nose. Now for all over my face, it's a pretty new brush. It's called Cups Beauty Planet KBP. So I'm going to use that for the powder, and the powder I'm going to use is classic powder in chocolate, classic makeup powder in chocolate. It's new. I haven't used it. I'm just going to use that all over my face. On my neck, just to let everything match and, you know, just blend in well. Now I'm going to spray my face before I do my lip, because that's what I want to do. So to spray my face now, I am using the Usha setting spray. So I'm just going to spray it all over my face. Now I'm just going to let that set in while I think of what to do on my lip. For my lip, I think I want to use a lip liner and a nude lipstick, and the lip liner I'm using is you know what, I'll just write everything I used in the description box. Everything I use on my face in the description box. This Huda Beauty is boldly written on it, so you can even see it. It is Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick. So I'm lining my lip now with the light lip liner. Then I just lined and blended it Then I'm using the Huda Beauty, just right in the center. Now for some shine, I'm going to use the Jordana bronzer, powder bronzer, that's what it's called, Jordana bronzer powder. You guys don't worry, everything I use I'm going to put it down below, so I'm just going to use that to highlight my face. Okay, so just here on my face. This is actually so nice, guys. This is actually nice. I did not expect this from Jordana. Oh my god, this is actually nice. This is actually very nice. See how nice and shiny it is. This product is amazing. Goes on my forehead and my chin. So guys, this is the finished look. Please let me know what you think about this look. Everything I used here are very affordable, very available. I tried as much as possible not to get expensive products. My favorite thing I use here is the foundation. I love the foundation. I love the face primer. I love the highlighter. I love those three, but other things are also very nice. You should check them out in case you want to get makeup products, especially if you're just starting out and you want to get products that are good but not expensive. I'm going to leave everything I use here in the box below. I'm not sure of their prices now, so I'm not going to put any price of any product. So please let me know what you think about this. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please let your friends know about this channel. Please subscribe to my channel down below. The button is down below. The subscription is free. Just click on the button below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.